will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that to find this list uh, on your money manager app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on accounts. So when you just click here on accounts, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on transfer expense settings, just click on it, and here you will find all transfer expense. You will find it here in this list. It's going to show for you here. So like you see here, I have no transfer expense, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your money manager app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.